This is algebra word problem. How do we approach an algebra word problem? Two things. You read the statement, the condition that you are given, and translate the condition into an equation. That's it. Understand the condition, translate the condition into an equation, and then solve the equation. Here we have the sum of three consecutive integers is 45. Find the three numbers. The sum of three consecutive integers is 45. Find the three numbers. Okay. Solution. Let the first integer be x. Then the next integer will be x plus 1. And the next integer will be x plus 2. So we don't know the integers. So we assign the first one as x. Since they are consecutive, the next one will be x plus 1. And the second one will be x plus 2. And they've told us that the sum of all three of them is 45. So we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is 45. So we open the brackets. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is 45. So what do we have? We have three x's. X plus x is 2x plus x is 3x. So we have 3x equals 1 will go on the other side of the equation. It will become minus 1 equals 45 minus 1 minus 2. Because this one will come on the right side becomes minus 1, and this 2 will come on the right side and become minus 2. So we have 3x equals 45 minus 3. 3x equals 42, and x is 14. So now that we know that x is 14, the next integer is 14 plus 1, which is 15, and the next integer is 14 plus 2, which is 16. So the three consecutive integers is 14, 15, and 16, and we can check to see if we are correct. 14 plus 15 is 29, 29 plus 16 is 45. So we have three consecutive integers whose sum is 45 as 14, 15, and 16. Okay, this is another algebra word problem. And we're going to do it like the first one. We read the statement and we try to frame an equation from the statement that we are given. A tennis player played 30 games and won 4 times as many as he lost. How many games did he play? We're assuming that the tennis player is a male. So he played 30 games and won 4 times as many as he lost. So let's start from what he lost. Solution. Let games lost equals X. He lost X games. And they told us that he won 4 times as many as he lost. So games won equals 4 times X, which is 4X. So he lost X games and won 4X games. Now they told us he played a total of 30 games. So the X games that he lost and the 4X games that he won all are equal to 30. So we state that in the equation. X plus 4X equals 30. So X plus 4X is 5X. So 5X equals 30. And X is 30 over 5, which is 6. So he lost 6 games and he won 4 times as much as he lost. So he won 6 times 4, 24. He lost 6 games, he won 24 games, and 6 plus 24 equals 30 games that he played. So we're correct. You see it again? The tennis player played 30 games. He won 4 times as many as he lost. How many games did he win? He lost X games and won 4X. X plus 4X equals 30. And we worked X out as 6. So he lost 6. How many did he win? He won 4 times as many as he lost, which is 6 times 4, which is 24. And the total game is 6 plus 24, which is 30. This is our next algebra word problem. It goes like this. Tom and Smith have $60 between them. If Tom gives Smith $10, both will have equal amount of money. How much does each have now? Tom and Smith have $60 between them. If Tom gives Smith $10, both will have equal amount of money. How much does each have now? Okay, solution. Okay, let's say Tom has X dollars and Smith has Y dollars. We're told that X plus Y equals 60. Both have $60 between them. Now, Tom has X dollars and Smith has Y. If Tom gives Smith $10, Tom is left with X plus X minus 10. Tom is left with X minus 10. And Smith, who had Y dollars and has received 10 from Tom, now has Y plus 10. So Tom has X minus 10 and Smith has Y plus 10. And we're told that both of them now have equal amounts. So X minus 10 equals Y plus. We know that Tom gave Smith $10. So Tom has gone down from x to x minus 10, and Smith has gone up from y to y plus 10. And x minus 10 equals y plus 10. We can rearrange this equation as x minus y equals 10 plus 10, which is x minus y equals 20. Call this equation 2. And we'll bring down our equation 1. We bring down our equation 1, x plus y equals 60. And we call it here equation 3. So what do? We add equation 1 and 2. X plus x is 2x. Minus y plus y is 0 equals 20 plus 60, 80. 2x equals 80, x equals 80 over 2 equals 40. So x is $40. That means Tom had $40 and Smith has 20 because they told us that both of them together has 60. So Smith will be 60 minus 40 equals 20. So Tom has 40 and Smith has 20. So, and we see that the two conditions are met. Tom has 40, Smith has 20, total is 60, which they said in the equation. And now if Tom gave Smith $10, Tom will come down to 30, 40 minus 10 is 30, and then Smith will go up from 20 to 30, 20 plus 10 is 30. So this is the algebra word problem. You take the statement, you translate it into an equation, and you solve the equation. Thank you. If you found this useful, please give us a thumbs up, click on subscribe and the notification bell, and we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.